Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn about a function which returns a dictionary. Now I am creating a function, a user defined function def space, and the function name is fun. Now I am creating an empty dictionary. For that I have to write dict and parenthesis. Now empty dictionary is created. Now I am assigning this empty dictionary in a variable. Now I will create the key value pair. Okay, D, the name of the dictionary, and key value is str, and the value is abc. Now I created a key value pair. Now again I will create another key value pair x, and the value for x is 20. Now I created two key value pairs. Now I am returning the dictionary. Return D. Now my definition is completed. Now I am going to call this function. So this is the driver code to test the functionality of this function. Now I am assigning this calling the function of fun to a variable d. Now I am printing this d. Now it will return str abc and x20 in key value pair since it is a dictionary. So can you see this? Yes, str is abc and x is 20. Now in this way we can write a function which returns a dictionary. I will explain you again. So here str is a string, so we can create with a single quotation or double quotation. So I am changing with a single quotation mark. Since it is a string,